Control valves do more than regulate flow. They protect your process, maintain product quality, and keep operations running safely and efficiently. In many ways, they're the heart of your system. So how do you make sure your valves are built to perform every time? Start with the ISA-75 series of standards. These standards set the benchmark for control valve design, testing, and performance. They're not just reference documents. They're practical tools that help you improve reliability, increase safety, and ensure compatibility across your operation. Whether it's defining face-to-face dimensions, verifying hydrostatic strength, ensuring position stability, or reducing noise in high-flow environments, every standard in the ISA-75 series is built with precision and purpose. That kind of consistency leads to real results: safer operations, less downtime, and equipment you can count on. The ISA-75 series makes valves more interchangeable by standardizing critical features like butt weld end connections and valve dimensions. No matter the manufacturer, components fit, install, and perform the way they should. From petrochemical plants and energy facilities to pharmaceutical labs and manufacturing lines, industries across the world trust ISA-75 to keep systems working smoothly and safely. Don't leave valve performance to chance. Choose the standards that support real-world success. Learn more at isa.org/ISA-75.